everyone that came tonight. Thank you very much for coming.
Carlos!
And also Paddy's Coffee for having us here. That's actually Paddy over there in New Jersey. Everyone say hi.
Buy coffee.
Buy coffee. Lots of coffee. I'm going to play 2 covers and then Shannon's going to join me on the cello for a few songs. This song is called The Ancient Driver, and I play it every single time, but just bear with me. I'm an engine driver on a long run, on a long run. Would I were beside her? She's a long one, such a long one. And if you don't love me, let me go. If you don't love me, let me go. I'm a county lineman on a high line, on a high line. So will be my grandson. There are power lines in our bloodlines, and if you don't love me, let me go. And if you don't love me, let me go. And I am a writer of fiction. I am the heart that you call. I've written pages upon pages, trying to rid you from my home. I am a writer of fiction. I am the heart that you call. I'm an engine driver on a long run, on a long run. Thank you. This next song is called Brand New Colony. It's by a band called Postal Truce.